Hi everyone, let's talk about Indore's best UI UX course and institute. My name is Hina Parihar and I am a UI UX designer. Before we discuss the best UI UX course, let's first understand what UI and UX actually mean. UI stands for user interface. It is all about how a website or app looks. The colors, fonts, buttons, layouts, the overall visual design. Good UI makes a product look clean, attractive and easy to use. UX stands for user experience. It focuses on how a user feels while using a website or app. UX includes user research, user journey, wireframes, prototypes, and usability testing. In simple words, UI is what you see, UX is how it works and feels. Today, the demand for UI UX designers is extremely high. Every website and every app needs to be interactive and engaging. Only good design can hold attention, build trust, and convert visitors into leads or customers. That's why UI UX design plays a direct role in business growth and conversion. You don't need years, you need the right guidance, the right tools, and real-world practice. A strong UI UX curriculum includes designs, fundamentals, user psychology, UX research, wireframing and prototyping design systems, and real industry projects. You also learn industry standard tools like Figma, Adobe, Photoshop, and other prototyping tools. These are the tools companies actually use. Now, based on my experience and professional knowledge, I recommend the best UI UX course in the city, IIM Skills. They have a strong track record in placement, curriculum quality, industry tool, and expert faculty. If you are serious about building a career in UI UX design, IIM Skills is the right place to start.